The asbestos issue is not a thing of the past. It continues to this day.
We want to end this man-made disaster.
So let's ban asbestos.
We're going to do a couple of group awards, and then we're going to acknowledge the sponsors, the people that have allowed us to videotape, fly some of our international speakers in, and continue our work in Washington when we do congressional staff briefings and other things. They believe in our work, they believe in us, and they believe in you. But I need to call forward a man by the name of Doug Larkin. Shy he's not, bold he is, talented, kind, caring. We're going to honor those for the past 10 years who have given so much. You can never calculate what Doug has given to ADAO. And I hope that with your applause, and he will feel even more validated. I know you don't need applause and award, but we have a small 10th anniversary award for you. To my fearless co-partner in crime, congratulations.
10 years.
10 years.
So for the better part of 10 years, I've been able to stay somewhat secluded in the back of the room. I'm not sure what went wrong, but you know, Linda and I didn't know each other when we did this. I'm East Coast. I'm right-leaning. Linda is left coast, left-leaning. But what brought us together was a common cause. And what we knew was that at the time, the Senator Specter of the Judiciary Committee and an individual by the name of Judge Becker were trying to put a trust fund, a federal trust fund piece of legislation together. And what we knew was that that was wrong. That was not a piece of legislation that would truly represent the needs of those who are diagnosed with an asbestos-related disease. We also knew that we didn't want, although my family member who passed away, Bill Shields, was a very simple man. He was a pipe fitter in a shipyard. He had occupational exposure, and it was pretty clear cut. That was pretty simple. But that legislation wasn't good for anybody. And so we realized that what was really needed was an independent organization that could put, instead of having industry and corporate interests first, we wanted to put individuals and their stories first. And at the time, you couldn't find that. At the time, one, I didn't know how to spell mesothelioma. I don't think Linda did either. And that was the first thing you did when you came home and after your loved one was diagnosed with an illness. And what we wanted to stand up was an organization that was independent, that had a strong voice, and that an organization that could create influence on the Hill. And I think we've done that. So thank you very much.